Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here again with another video for boom and crash, but today we are not just going to be looking at catching spikes alone. We're going to be looking at trading against the spikes. So for this particular strategy, we are not just restricted to catching spikes, but we're also going to be trading against the spikes. So we'll be having multiple of opportunities to trade this market and reap good profit out of the market. So please, if you are new to my channel, endeavor to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I drop a video of this particular nature and such. So for this video, we're just going to be looking at boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, and if possible, if you have time, we're also going to be looking at crash 500. So let's just go straight up to this particular strategy and I'll show you how it actually works. So if you can see on a boom 500 here, if you can see, we are on a resistance support level on the 1 hour time frame. You can see there, and also bouncing off the moving average on the 1 hour time frame. So based on that, and based on the confirmation of this strategy or these indicators, as you can see, I've put my entries in, okay, because we are on the buy zone. Okay, the indicators are on the buy zone, as you can see, guys. So the indicators are on the buy zone, and I had my first spike. I had my first spike, as you can see. As you can see here, I have my first spike. So as you can see there, I have my first spike. So I'm waiting for more multiple spikes because I just want to ride this trade back up to that level. Okay, I want to ride it up back to this key level. So that's my target. So all I'm going to do is just sit and wait, relax, guys. So I'm just going to sit down and wait and relax, guys, and wait for it to play out. Okay, this is a high probability trade, guys. So the indicators have confirmed it, and secondly, we are on the support level on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame and take a look and see how it looks like. So we should expect more spikes, guys. Should expect more spikes. We should expect more spikes. So we're just going to chill and wait. So if you look at the 15 minutes, you have a candlestick confirmation, which tells you that you can add more buys. But based on the kind of trader I am, I'm just going to stick to what I've already risked before. So right now, I'm just going to wait for it to play out, guys. I'm just going to wait for this motherfucker to play out. So because if you look at that candle, that candlestick that you have there, these are confirmation candles for buying opportunities. So those are high probability candles. So because if you look previously on this particular area, what happens when that candle appeared, it bought to the upside. So right now we have seen similar scenarios like that with the confirmation of the moving average and also that candlestick patterns. We're just going to wait, chill and relax and wait for most spikes, guys. So based on that, we're just going to chill and wait. So let's look at other examples. Let's check boom 1000. So on boom 1000, we are looking at what catching spikes and also trading against the spike, guys. So now let's look at this. So for this particular strategy, like I mentioned earlier, we are going to be using the second zoom level. We have the zoom out completely. So now we're going to use the second zoom level. Okay, this is the second zoom level. So this is the second zoom level. So when the market is high above this area, you should be looking for what? For selling opportunities upon the cross of the moving average on the main chart. So now we have your cross. You take your sales. You take your sales. Take your sales, guys. You take your sales. You take your 10 candles and moves, and you're out of the market, guys. Take your 10 candles and moves, and you're out of the market. Take your 10 candles and moves, and you're out of the market. So what before you take your sales, there are some things I want you to put into consideration. One, there must be a spike. Okay, there must be what? A spike. I think let me just set it over. So one, there must be a spike, and that spike must have what? Great momentum. So the spike must have what? Great momentum. Once you have a spike of great momentum, just like you have it now, okay, guys. So when you have a spike of great momentum, just like you have it now, and also just that is the accelerator oscillator must show that great momentum as you have it now. That momentum, the momentum from the accelerator oscillator must touch this 90 and 85 level. So once you have that confirmation, guys, you wait for the moving average on the indicator window on the main chart. Sorry, to cross. So when it crosses, you take your sales, guys. You take your sales. You can profit very well from this particular strategy, guys. So here again, you have it. You have it here, just like that. So now you have that spike touching that our sell zone. Okay, so you have that spike touching that our sell zone, guys. So once it touches that sell zone and the Chimoku touches two, what happened? You go for your sell, you go for your Q when the moving average is crossed. So you take your sales, take your sales. So you take your sales. So we are just going to be looking at the selling opportunities for boom. Also, we will look at how to catch spikes too. So right now, what happens? Now, right now, look at this. Look at this. We have this spike. Okay, this spike giving us a great momentum. Okay, we have also this spike giving us a great momentum. But what happens? It did not touch that level. Yeah, but secondly, the moving average it did not break the moving average. We're just still bouncing off the moving average there, as you can see, guys. So based on that, now all you are waiting for, you now have another spike, guys. You now have another spike, guys. This one went ahead to touch that zone, and also our Ichimoku touching that zone. So what happens? You wait for your moving average crossover, and then you can take your trade, guys. Take your 10, your 20 candles as you want. Don't be greedy. So you take your 10, 20 candles as you want. You should not be greedy, guys, and you're out of the market. So in order for you, now let's talk about catching spikes, guys. In order to catch spikes, in order to catch spike, in order to catch spike, in order to catch spike, guys. So in order to catch spike, it must touch the buy zone, guys. It must touch the buy zone. It must touch the buy zone. Then you go in and then you catch the spike, guys. You catch the spike. So when it comes just like that, and then it touches our buy zone, the indicators will touch the buy zone, and then what happens? You have your spike. You have your spike. So this same way, what happens? Sorry, that was actually supposed to go down on the indicator window. So right now, what happens? Spike comes, guys. So what happens again? So you have your indicator touching the Chimoku touching the buy zone. What happens? Spike. So you still have it again touching the buy zone, and what happens? Spike, guys. So you don't just have to be scared. You have to trade with courage, guys. You don't have to be scared. You have to trade with courage. So you have it the indicator touching the buy zone, and what happens? Spike, guys. You have it touching the buy zone, and what happens? Spike. So you have multiple spikes. So here again is another opportunity for you. You have sold and then waited for it to touch that buy zone. Okay, so here we have that spike touching our sell zone, and then you could have sold, okay, upon the moving average crossover, guys. You could have sold upon the moving average crossover, something like maybe here, and then you take your profit. It's actually a cool strategy, guys. It's actually a cool strategy. It's actually simple, guys. It's simple to implement. Here you could have just bought, and then you could have just bought and wait. What happens? Spike, multiple spikes. So it's actually a simple strategy. I keep repeating it. It's actually simple. Yes, so it's actually simple. Now let's look at other example. Let's look at other example. Let's look at the crash 1000. Let's look at crash 1000. So on crash, you see, so I think I should be expecting so you see you could have sold and then you waited for that spike and then the spike came. But right now it seems more like it's still gonna push above because the market is in an uptrend. So on crash you could have also bought here. Okay, you could have also bought there, okay, when that spike occurred and it touched that area, okay, and then you wait for your moving average to cross over and then you take your buys. You could have take your buys somewhere there, and then you just wait, guys. You just wait. You just chill and wait. Even though whatever happens, you just have to hold. So now and again, you have spike. Okay, you have that spike. Okay, and that spike reflects on the um how do they call it again? Oscillator, giving us that great momentum, guys. Giving us that great momentum. What happens? You wait for your moving average to cross over. When it crosses over, you take your buys, guys. So you see, it's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. There's nothing too much to this strategy. Just apply the simple rules which I give to you guys. Just apply the simple rules. So here again, Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. You see that spike by the accelerator oscillator, and then you see that the Chimoku touching that zone. So what would have happened? You would have bought on upon the crossover of the moving average on the main chart. You could have made some money, made some beautiful money for yourself, guys. So you could have made some money, guys. So you could have made some money. I don't intend to make this video long enough, but I'm still gonna let my trade play out. I'm still gonna let my trade play out. I'm still gonna let my trade play out. So I'm still gonna let it play out, guys, because we are still in that zone. We're still in that zone. Still in that zone. But based on the fact that this is a long-term trade, I don't think we are going to be patient enough, okay, to see it play out. But whatever be the case, I think I'll update you guys in my next video. So let's look at some examples of which we could have got spikes on crash. Yeah, on crash. So on crash now, look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. So you have the Ichimoku, you have the Ichimoku touching this our sell zone. Okay, Ichimoku touching our sell zone, as you can see on the indicator window. As you can see on the indicator window, what happens? Beautiful spike, guys. So you see this, you see this, guys. You see this, guys. So beautiful, beautiful, guys. Beautiful, guys. So see that you could catch spike, guys. So see that, guys. Just see this. See how beautiful this is. You have just gotten in, and then you could have got some spike, guys. So it's that simple, guys. It's that simple. It's that simple. But you have to practice this on the demo account. You have to practice this on the demo account. So you see that how beautiful that is. So let me just go ahead now and give you the settings for this wonderful indicator, wonderful strategy, guys. So for on the main chart, we have the moving average period 10 shift 0 method exponential apply to low, style is 4 pixel, color red. When you're done, you click on done. Okay, so the next indicator we have the moving average period 16 shift 0 method exponential apply to low, style is 4 pixel, color um blue. So when you're done, you click on done. The next indicator we have the relative strength index period 14 method apply to close. Apply to close style is 1 pixel, and then we have the levels. We have the 90, 85, 10, 15, and the 50 level. 50 level is normally for take profit, guys. So that's that. And then the next one we have the accelerator oscillator line width 3 pixel, value up green, that should be blue, nah, green. So value down should be red, and when you're done, you click on done. And then the last indicator we have the Chimoku 10 cancel 9 King Joseph 9 Seiko Span B 52. Just copy the parameters the way they are. So the up Kumu, the down Kumu, and the Seiko Span B, all those keep them at 1 pixel black, because the background of my screen is black. And when you're done, just click on done, and you have this wonderful strategy, guys. You have this wonderful strategy. So once again, have a lovely trading week ahead of you, guys. Stay blessed, and if you are new to this channel, endeavor to hit that like button and subscribe, guys. Thank you.